Jumbo, my people, Jumbo. Hello, my people, hello. Guys, as you can see, I am now in a different cabin. I am in an interior cabin. My last cabin before this one was an ocean view. So if you have been following, you've been watching all of my videos before you get to this one, you will see the change of cabins that I've been in. This will probably make my fourth or fifth different cabin that I have been sailing in. Yes, and I enjoyed every minute. You can see I love this paint in here. The aquamarine water. Look at that. Look at that painting in the back. I just love the colors of that painting. Yes, guys. So although I'm in a interior, it still makes me feel like I can see the ocean from my bed, right? So guys, a few things I want to talk about. Like I said, I'm coming. This is my last week of sailing. My last week, could you believe it? Over 2 months of sailing, and I'm coming into my last week for this time. So you know, this lady will definitely be back. Staying in different cabin on different floors. Listen, there's some things I want to talk about just to give you some insight if you are planning on cruising. So let's go through the benefit of the ocean view versus the inside cabin. Now, if you are cruising and you need yourself some needed rest, mine, I say choose the inside cabin. The inside cabin, guys, listen, you don't even know what time of day it is. You don't even know whether the sun is up or the sun is down. And you can sleep your head off. Okay, and then the ocean view. The ocean view will let you know that the sun is up and it's time to get up. And it's good to have the ocean view at times because you can look at the ocean, you can see what's going on with the waters, you can see sometimes the birds flying, you can see the land. If you are dock on, when you're reaching to a port, you can see the land and all of that. So me myself, I love ocean view. I love to see the waters. That's me. I just love to see the waters. You can see the picture in the back of me there. I love the waters. But trust me, I also need that rest sometimes. So there's the good and there's the bad. So what I would do, I would book if you really need that rest, book the inside cabin. If you just want to look at the beauty of the ocean, you book the ocean view, or you can book a balcony. Okay? So location on a cruise ship. Man, listen, you can have a inside cabin, but above you or below you is all sorts of noise going on. So when booking that inside cabin for that needed rest, make sure you find yourself a cabin that does not have any activities above you or any activities below you. Because trust me, you will definitely hear the noise. Okay? So right now, where I'm in, I'm in cabin 15333 at Carnival Celebration. And right above me, I'm on the 15th floor, and right above me is the Lido deck, which is the 16th deck. Okay? And trust me, I can hear them pulling those chairs back and forward at times. Unless it's like, you know, when everything dies down, you know, then you probably wouldn't hear it anymore. But late kind of night, early morning, yeah, when they're shifting things around, you will definitely hear the noise. And another thing to be aware of, on the cruise ship, if you have never sailed, or if you have sailed and you never really noticed, there's an odd side and there's an even side. The odd side are the odd numbers of your cabin, and the even side is the even numbers of your cabin. Now, most of the time, if you're booking an ocean view or you are booking a balcony cabin, I would say go for the even number on the even side. Reason is because if you were on a cruise ship and the cruise ship is docking and they're going head in, you would be on the land side. You would be able to see the land area side of it, and the oil will always be facing the ocean unless the land is like this. But the even side is where you will come off on the cruise ship. But if the cruise ship decide to reverse in and put the head out and the back in, then you will definitely be on the water side, the ocean side, yeah. But that is rare that they do that. But I've noticed whenever they go to Amber Cove, they always turn around and go back in and let the head be out. So yeah. So some little things, you'll notice when you on a cruise ship, when you living on a cruise ship, as I guess that I am. Also, it's good to have this with you also when you're going off the ship. When you're going off the ship, always take this with you. And the reason why I take it with me is because here on it you will find, they say fun facts. They will tell you right under fun facts, they will tell you what time you leave the ship and what time you're supposed to be back on board. So if you're getting off and you forget to look and see what time you're supposed to be back on the ship, this will tell you what time you should be back on the ship and the time. And always use the ship time, because some port you go into, they have different time zones. So you always have to keep your either your watch or something that's going to stay, that's not going to change over to somebody else's time, that you're going to have the ship time at all time. And also, why I love to carry this with me, because it have port emergency contact. That's if you are out on that particular port and you have an emergency or anything goes wrong, or you probably must be missing, the ship leave you, you get left by this cruise ship. No, that's not going to happen to you. So it has an emergency contact person that you can call at that local number. They will give you the local number for that island that you can contact that particular person. So this is always good to have at hand. And what I have noticed that this fun fact on this printout, Fun Times, only have this fun facts about emergency contact when you are going to port. The days that when you are out to sea, they do not give you, you will have this, but it would not have this emergency contact, because you don't need to contact anybody out at sea. So it's good to have this also, and also with the app on your phone, because sometimes you don't want to look at your phone all the time. You just want to have this paper right nice and handy. And it's good to carry this, because this could be a source of fun, because these stuffs is be really hot, so you can fun yourself with this and cool yourself off. Or if you don't have no hat, you can take this for a little shade to shade yourself coming back or going off the ship. So this can be used for numerous things that I use it for. Just giving you some hints of what I do. So guys, I'm telling you, there are lots of little hints and stuff, but you got to continue watching. And as time go, I will bring you guys more information about cruising. So just stay tuned and have your bell set, so whenever I post anything, guys, you will be notified, okay? And please watch until the end and give me that thumbs up as always. I always appreciate you guys. Love you guys. So now it's time for me to get out of this cabin. I have to go. This is our stop. Where are we now? We are in what is island this again we are to? What a day is day? I don't even know what day it is no more. Let me see. Where are we? Where's my stuff? Yeah, today is Thursday. Where are we? Yeah, we are now at Isla Tropical. I think this is in Rotan. I've never been to this one stop. I've been to one before, but not this particular one that we are at now. So I'm just gonna go out and see what this island Isla Tropical has to offer. So I'm just gonna go out and see. Looking at this right here, this section right here, guys. Hey, I have been here before. It's been so long, but now that I entered this area here, I remember everything just came back to me. But this is it, guys. My second trip here to Isla Tropical Rotan. All right, this is the little shopping area. As soon as you get out of the cruise ship, off the cruise ship, this is what you come into. Welcome to the island of Rotan. You are now entering the largest protected marine area in Honduras, the Bay Islands National Marine Park. While you are visiting, please do not litter, do not touch, disturb, or buy souvenir made from the marine life. Your support makes all the difference. So please help conserve this marine protected area, and please visit the Rotan Marine Park kiosk located in the Mahogany Bay Cruise Terminal to learn more about this precious resource. So you see, guys, when you come here, that is serious. When you come here, they are encouraging you not to purchase anything that would have been made from the marine area. And that is to protect and conserve the marine life. Because if the natives know that you are purchasing these stuff, they will be more inclined to go to the marine life and disturb it and get stuff from the marine area so that they can sell it to you. But if you are not buying it, they won't be able to sell it to you. So which is a good thing, I think, that they are doing. So I guess this is just the shopping in the souvenir area. I am not going up out of this area. So, hey, look at that. Look at that.
Hello.
Hi, how are you, sir?
Not good. You doing?
Hey, I hate snake in any form. Gosh, you see that? I hate snakes in any form of. Hey, there's plenty of them there. I know they are carved, but I just don't like to see it, carved or not. Look at that big spider. So guys, just a little glimpse for you guys to see what the area of Roatan looks like coming from the cruise ship. You know, this is always the tourist area, so you need to go inland to see where the natives live and how they operate. Okay. Oh, that's just the, okay. Let's go into the craft market. I hope none of these stuff are made from the coral reef. Oh. Let's get out of the sun a bit.
I would. You paid for it.
This is the craft market. I think I will get me a magnet for the refrigerator. It's been so long, and I'm sure $30 sale. Interesting.
That's how that dude jump a little bit.
One more for this chairlift. Let's see the price on it. Ah, 12 and up, $18. I should take one of those if I had more time. That's the chairlift there.
Oh, did I give it to you?
It's the nature trail here. One that I'm definitely not going to walk up.
Well, I remember you saying something about a ticket. I think.
I like that you get my references.
Guys, I'm walking down this path. I don't know where this leads to, but we will sure find out at the end of the road. I hear some music. Oh, I should take this chair. That's look like fun.
Oh, sorry.
Follow the leader, leader, leader. Leader, leader, follow the leader, leader, leader. Leader, leader, leader. Oh, this is far. Let's go. Oh. Oh, I really should go in that. Look at that. I really should go up in that. And there goes our cruise ship right there.
It was a 5-day, just cause them out.
Oh. Well, it sounds like a whole lot going on over there. That's the water sports information.
Nope. I like that photo.
You got shopping areas in here too. If you forget your swimsuit, your souvenirs. Oh, this is where the happenings are. Just have to venture out a little bit.
Down here it says chairlift.
Oh, look at the turtles. Let's just walk down a little bit. Pool and swimmabout, restaurants, everything. You name it, they have it out here. Hurricane Hole. Fun snack. Oh my God. I don't think I'm going all the way down there. Whew.
Oh, you smell so good.
Who's that?
You smell good.
Really?
Yes.
Well, thank you.
Beautiful.
I can't smell anything. Thank you so much. Okay, and there's the end of the line, guys, right here by the beach. So guys, if you're going to visit Roatan, Isla Tropical Roatan, it couldn't get no more tropical than this. Look at that. I need to start going in the waters. My goodness. Look how far the beach stretches all the way down there. Huh. This is cool. This is cool. Whew. But I ain't gonna kid you guys, it's hot. It's hot. Whew. No kidding, guys. It's truly hot out here. It is too hot. Guys, I got me the chairlift. Guys, so this girl is going up on that chairlift. I just purchased a ticket for the chairlift, so let's take a ride back to the other side in the chairlift. But there's a line right here, so you gotta toe this line to get on the chairlift. So let's wait a few minutes, and then we should be on our way on the chairlift, guys. Guys, I'm waiting for my chair. Oh, thank you. I'm in my chair. Let's go up, 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 and away we go, guys. Up, 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 and away we go. Oh. That is the cruise ship right there. Up, 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 and away I go. There we go. This is cool, guys. This is hi.
You enjoy it?
Yes, I am enjoying it. It's fun. How about you?
Good. I just go outside, so I let me enjoy it.
Okay, thank you. You too.
Margarita.
Oh, you going for margarita?
Yeah.
Enjoy. Guys, this is so fun. This is so cool. This is so cool. Take me away. Woo. Guys, I'm having me some fun. My beautiful people, I am having me some needed fun. This is so cool. I love it. The breeze up here is good. I'm enjoying the breeze. Up, 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 and away we go. This is so cool. Beautiful. Beautiful scenery, guys. Hey. Ah. I like how they stop it every now and then in case if you want to take photos. So it's not continuously moving, it's moving, and every so often they would stop it, and then you probably take a picture or something like that. Oh, this breeze is so good. I know you can hear this breeze. Oh my God, it's so good. Guys, this is fun. This is fun. I'm all the way up here. This thing better hold up. That's my ass, a big grass. And it costs $18 for the whole day. You can just, for the chair, they have different prices. And I guess if you want to buy the whole package for the whole day, I think it's like $180 or something like that. I'm not quite sure about that, but I know the chair lift for the whole day is $18 for the adult. I think children, did I see children for $11? I'm not certain of that. Yes, but this is cool. This is sure cool, guys. Oh, but this sun is hitting my black pants.
Is that a little camera?
Yes, it is.
It's so cute. Where you get that from?
It's on Amazon.
Okay.
Osmo Pocket.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Hey. Cheese. Guys, this is so much fun. I'm enjoying every minute of this. Isn't that beautiful? Yes. I guess we are coming to the end of this $18 journey. I don't know if I'm going to come back. Oh, I should, I should come back over for another. I should come back over for another run. Do not bounce or swing chair. Okay. Well, dang it, where about me swinging this? I'm on top of the world. Look at the scooter chairs getting his own little lift to come over. You see that? Look, somebody need their little chair and they got to send it over on a separate lift. That's cool. On top of the world! Oh, I know why it keeps stopping in intervals. Oh, every time a chair reaches down, it stops for the passenger to get off. Okay, okay. Watch now. It's gonna stop for those folks to get off and then start again. Okay. Oh, it didn't really stop. Really? I thought it would just stop. Oh, they jump off. Hey, do I have to jump off? Do I jump off? Huh? I want to go back around. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. I'm going back around, guys. This girl. I am going back around for another ride on this chair lift. Yes! A little child again. Hey, who can blame me? Who's rocking my chair? Who is rocking my chair? Who's rocking my chair? Ah, back up again, guys. Look at the nature. The trees are so green and flush and beautiful. Look at the greenery. Look at it. Look at it. It is so beautiful. Hey.
Hey, Mama.
Hi.
So beautiful.
Thank you. Love you too.
Love you. She said, excuse me, sir. She said, excuse me, sir. Please quit talking. They got ladies don't know. Huh?
Hey. Guys, this is so cool. On top of the world. Look at what's rotating that. Ah. This is what it looks like, guys, going in the opposite direction. That's a shallow water below there. On top of the world, guys. And the good thing about it, guys, is that if you are traveling by yourself, you have a chair all by yourself. No one else to share the chair with you, which is great. I love it, love it, love it. Seashell souvenir store right there. I don't know if you guys can see that sign right there. Right there. That's the Seashell souvenirs. Snorkels, fins, masks, beach towels, t-shirt, jewelry, gifts, handcraft, mahogany souvenirs, and so much more. You can come here and lounge over. That's a beautiful beach. It's a beautiful, beautiful beach. Nice and sunny. It is scorching hot. So there's the end of this journey here. No, that's not the end of my journey. This is where it ends. But I'm gonna go back and then I will get off. Prepare to get off, which I'm not going to.
Ready, Mom?
No, I'm going back here. Thank you.
Feet up. There we go.
Wait up.
Bye.
Bye.
Guys ready? Yep.
Look at that beach. I hope you guys can see it. Hey, because we are now turning around and around and around and around. Hi! It's so much fun. My third round. On top of the world, guys, on top of the world. Sandy Beach in the back of me there. So this time, guys, I am getting off. This sun is burning my legs. I must have turned 10 shades of brown. The sun is so hot. But it was nice. It was sure enjoyable. I sure enjoyed myself.
Are you gonna get off?
Yes, this time I'm getting off.
All right, exit to the right, okay?
To the right? Ooh, thank you. Oh, I can hardly walk. Guys, I'm off. Look what I'm greeted with. Oh. Let me show you how it goes around and around. And that's what propels it to go around and around and around. So let's continue our exit out of here. Whew. My legs don't feel like they don't want to move. Ah. A day in the sky chair. That was fantastic. I enjoyed it. I haven't done anything like that in a very long time. So I fully enjoyed that. Now let's see if we can find us something refreshing to drink. It's time now to head back to the cruise ship. Find some tips. Thank you. The long walk back to the cruise ship. So continue watching, guys, and see what this lady gonna be into. You never know what my next travel might be. You never know. You want to go with me wherever you see this lady go. So continue watching, because you never know my next step. I don't even know my next step sometimes. So so sometimes, you know, we are not able to travel, so we could travel through the eyes of somebody else. I'm gonna end this video right here. And for those of you who always come back to watch this lady, I say thank you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you taking the time out to watch my videos. And please give me that thumbs up. Leave a comment and make sure that your notification bell is set so that whenever I post videos, you definitely will be notified. And if by chance you have come across this lady channel for the very first time and you are watching this video, I say thank you so much. Please consider subscribing. Please give me that thumbs up. Please share the video. Please leave a comment and continue watching, guys. I appreciate you guys from the heart. May the road rise to meet you. May the wind always be at your back. May the sun shine warmth upon your face and the rain fall softly on your fields. And until we meet, guys, in that next video, may God hold you in the palm of his hands. I love you guys. God bless you. And once again, thanks for watching, and thanks for subscribing, and thanks for sharing this video, and thank you for commenting. I love you guys. God bless you, and stay tuned. There are much more to come. Much more to come. Love you guys. Mwah.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I want